Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Fortnite on your PS5 with the primary account signed in. This is required so the game recognizes player 1. Once done, connect the second controller and press X to prompt the sign-in screen. You can use a guest or a separate Epic account depending on your preference. Make sure the second player is on the controller sign-in prompt before proceeding so Fortnite detects both inputs and allows split-screen pairing quickly. Now in the lobby, invite the second player by having them press the indicated button, usually triangle for joining on PS5. This pairs the controller with the session. You must select a duo or squad playlist because split screen isn't supported in solo playlists, so make sure to change the mode if necessary. After both controllers are active, check that each player's loadout and settings are acceptable. Fortnite will show a confirmation, then let you queue up together, which triggers split screen when the match starts. To finish, adjust in-game settings so both players have comfortable HUD size, sensitivity, and display options. You can change performance versus quality to balance FPS and resolution because split screen can impact frame rate. Make sure to save settings and relaunch the match if necessary. If split screen fails to start, reboot the PS5, reconnect controllers, verify both accounts are signed in, and install any pending Fortnite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.